Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, we have started with our fifth chapter, fractions. So we have already done our exercise 5.1 and we have already done exercise 5.2 up to the third problem, that is which fraction is greater. Today we will start with the fourth problem of exercise 5.2. In this fourth problem, we have the question as which fraction is smaller. So you have to go for the comparison of these two fractional numbers and we have to find out which is the smaller fraction out of the two. So for this also you can see that the two fractions are the unlike fractions and they have the denominators different. So in order to find out which fraction is smaller, again we need to make the denominator same and then we should compare. So this sum is similar to your question number 3, that is which fraction is greater. So in this question, I will do one problem for you and rest of the problems you can do of your own. So let us start with the fourth problem. Now see students, the question is which fraction is smaller. So exercise 5.2 fourth problem. Now you have been given with two numbers. So the same method what we have already done for the third problem, we will do the same method for this problem also. So now see LCM of denominators. So here the denominators are 8 and 10. So now you have to take the LCM of 8 and 10. So 2 is the common factor for these two numbers. So I have just taken 2 and 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Then again I have taken 2 factor, so 2 twos are 4 and here 5. Then again 2, this will give you 1 and 5 will give you the remainder as 1 and 1. So we have just written this 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So as we get the product, we have to calculate it. So here we get the product as 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So 40 is your LCM. So 40 is your LCM. So first take the first number, that is 5 upon 8, and then you need to get 40 as your denominator. So here 8 5s are 40. So here you have 25 by 40. And then you have the second number 7 upon 10. Then again you need 40 as the denominator. So multiply by 4. So here you are getting 28 upon 40. So you got both the like terms over here. So you can see 25 upon 40 is less than 28 upon 40. So the corresponding numbers are what? Corresponding numbers are for 25, 40. The number is 5 upon 8. Number is 5 upon 8 is less than 7 upon 10. Okay. 5 upon 8 is less than 7 upon 10. Therefore, which one is the smaller number? Therefore, 5 by 8 is smaller. Okay. So, you need to write the answer as 5 upon 8 is smaller. So, you have the question as which fraction is smaller. So, you have to just do the problem and you can see that 5 upon 8 is smaller than 7 upon 10. Now the second B question is 4 upon 15 or 11 upon 15. So out of these two fractions, which one is smaller? Again, you need to take out the LCM of 15 and 50. So write down 15 and 50 here to take out the LCM. So you can see that 5 is the common factor for both of these numbers. So 5 3s are 15, 5 10s are 50. Now here also if you take 5, then you have here 5 2s are 10. Now you can see both the numbers are prime number. So you can see 3 1 and here 2 1. So you have the LCM as 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. Okay, so here you have 25 into 6. So 25 into 6 will give you 150. So your LCM is 150. So as you have taken out the LCM of these two denominators, so it is 150. So LCM of 15 and 50 is 150. Therefore, if you take the first number here, so here you have 150 down. So you need to make it 150. So 15 tens are 150. Here also you have 40 upon 150. Similarly, go for 11 into 50. Here also you need 150. So if you multiply with 3, this will give you 150 and 33 upon 150. So here you need to write that 40 upon 150 is greater than 33 upon 150. Okay. So you can see that 4 upon 15 is greater than 11 upon 50. Therefore, 11 upon 50 is smaller. Okay. So out of this two number, 11 upon 50 is the smaller fraction. So this is your second one. Now third and fourth one, that is C and D of fourth question, is homework for you. So please try it and do both the sums. Now the next problem is the fifth problem, that is insert a fraction between the following fractions. So you have been given with two fractions. आपके पास दो फ्रैक्शन दिए हुए हैं और आपको इंसर्ट करना है, दैट इज इन दोनों के बीच का एक फ्रैक्शन आपको निकालना है. तो that how you can find out the in between fraction, we will do that. Now see, I have written the two fractional numbers and we need to find out a in between fractional number. So here you can see that 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 3 are the two fractional number given to you. So here you can see that 2 upon 3 is smaller than 8 upon 3. So orally we can say it because here the denominators are same. आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे जो डिनोमिनेटर्स है वो दोनों सेम है और न्यूमरेटर्स वो डिफरेंट है. तो only by looking to numerator you can find out that this 2 upon 3 is less than 8 upon 3. So here what we will write is, as 2 upon 3 is less than 8 upon 3, therefore the required fraction is, अब क्या, अब इसको कैसे करना है आप देखिए. Therefore the required fraction is, now what we will do is we will just add the numerator. आप देखिए मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, दोनों के न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर दिया है और दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को भी ऐड कर दिया है. ठीक है. सो देखिए ये दो न्यूमरेटर है 2 एंड 8, तो उसको मैंने ऐड किया है, और दोनों जो डिनोमिनेटर है 3 एंड 3, दैट ऑल्सो आई हैव एडेड अप. देन आफ्टर एडिंग अप व्हाट यू गेट इज 10 upon 6. Okay, 10 upon 6, and here 2 is the common factor, so it can be written as 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are and 3 2s are 6. Okay, so you can go for the lowest term here. So now you are getting 10 upon 6, and that the common factor is 2, and so you can see 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So you have got 5 upon 3 as the required fraction that are between 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 3. So I have written the required fraction is 5 upon 3. So you can write here, therefore 5 upon 3 is between 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 3. Like this also you can write down. Like this also you can write down. Okay, so this is your first question. Now we will move to the second one. Now this is a second problem for you. Now 4 by 5 and 5 by 7, you have to take out the fraction in between these two numbers. So now what you can do is you can write the required fraction is, the required fraction is, सो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो आपके दोनों नंबर्स हैं. सो आप ऐसे न्यूमरेटर्स को प्लस कर दीजिए और डिनोमिनेटर को प्लस कर दीजिए. सो यू आर गेटिंग 9 upon 12. Okay, now here you can see that 3 is the common factor for both. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 8. Therefore the required, therefore 3 upon 4 is the fraction between 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 7. Okay, so this is the answer for the second one. So the third one, again I have done the same thing. So numerator has to be added up and denominator has to be added up, and you get the answer as 25 upon 28. So here you cannot find a common factor, so you cannot go for the lowest term. So here we have to stop that, and so we can write that 25 by 28 is the fraction between 25 by 28 is the fraction between 11 upon 13 and 14 upon 15. Now we have moved to sixth problem of exercise 5.2, where you need to arrange the series in ascending order. Now you have seen that I have already written the fractional numbers for you. So this is 5 upon 12, 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 6. Now as per our method or as per our rule, what we did is we have to take the denominators and we have to take down the LCMs of denominator. So you have seen I have written 12, 10 and 6 as the denominators, and I have to calculate the LCM. Okay, so see, I have done the LCM. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6. Again I have taken 2, 2 3 are 6, then 5 and 3. So 3, again 1, 5 and 1, then 5 1 1 1. Okay, so like this I did the LCM, and we have to get the product, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here 4 into 15, you have LCM as 60. So LCM is 60. So again the similar method what we did for greater and smaller numbers. So similar method we have to follow. So here we need to have the denominator as 60. So I have taken each fractional number and I have calculated it so that the denominator comes as 60, and you can see that all these terms have become like terms, and now you have to compare, that is you need to arrange it in ascending order. Now see, out of these three fractional number, which is the ascending order means small to big. So out of this, which one is smaller? 18 upon 60. Then you have which number? 25 upon 60. Then you have 70 upon 60. Okay, so 18 upon 60 is smaller than 25 upon 16. 25 upon 60 is smaller than 70 upon 60. Now you need to get the corresponding fractions. 18 upon 60 कौन से फ्रैक्शन में आता है देखिए, 3 upon 10 के फ्रैक्शन में, ठीक है। उसके बाद 25 अपॉन 60 कौन से फ्रैक्शन में आता है? 5 अपॉन 12 के फ्रैक्शन में। और फिर लास्ट में 70 अपॉन 60 किस में आता है? 7 अपॉन 6 के फ्रैक्शन में। सो आप देख पा रहे हैं हमने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में इसको अरेंज कर लिया है, स्मॉलर टू बिगर। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू राइट द ascending order. Now look to the second problem. Here also I did the LCM for these three denominators. So here you can see that 4 is a common factor for all these three numbers. So 6 4 are 24, 6 8 are 30, 4 8 are 32, and 4 4 are 16. Okay, now again you can see that 2 is the factor for all these three numbers. So 2 I have taken, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. Now again you can see that for this 2 number, 2 is the factor. So again I have written here 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 are 2. Now you can see that these two numbers are prime number. So I have taken one by one as the factors for each number, and we get the LCM as 96. So LCM आपको क्या मिला है? 96. So now similarly what you will do is you will take one by one the fractional number, and as you have taken the fractional number over here, so यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो 1 upon 24 है. So you need to have 96 as denominator. So as you multiply by 4 you get 96. Here in the second fractional number you have to multiply with 3 so that you can get 96, and here you have to multiply with 6 so that you can get the denominator as 96. Now you get all these like fractions here. Now easily you can compare all these fractions. So you can see that I have written all the fractions in ascending order. Now as I have written this fractional number, I have to see for the corresponding original numbers. Okay, इसका corresponding कौन सा नंबर था? 4 upon 96 किस में आया था? देखिए 1 upon 24 में। फिर आपको 15 upon 96, 5 upon 32, and then you have 9 upon 16. So you have got the ascending order for all these three fractions. Okay, so we will move to the third one. Now see the third question. I will give only the LCM uh, uh, product and see 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. Then you have 3, so you can write like this, and you have 4. Okay, so your LCM will be 5 into 3 into 4, that is 15 into 4. 15 into 4 is your 60. ठीक है, so LCM आपका कितना आ गया? 60. LCM 60 है, तो अब आप क्या करोगे, हर एक नंबर को आप लोगे और आपको यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 60 करना है, तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? उसके बाद सेकंड नंबर भी आपको डिनोमिनेटर 60 लाना है, तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? और फिर थर्ड नंबर है, आपको इसमें भी 60 लाना है, सो आप ये वाला आप खुद से करोगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू ऑफ योर ओन. मैंने इतना आपको दिखा दिया है, आप आगे का आप खुद करोगे. Now see the last sum of ascending order. Now here also I did the LCM for you and I have found out the LCM as well. You need to complete this, okay, and find out the ascending order. Now see, we are going for the question number 7th. Here we need to arrange the series into a descending order. Descending order means big to small. Now again the same method we have followed. We have taken the LCM of all the denominators. So as such LCM we got as 90. Now see, I have made these unlike fractions into like fractions. Now we can compare it easily. So let us compare. Now see, I have written all the like terms over here, and now we have to go for the corresponding terms, original terms. 108 upon 90. 108 upon 90 कौन से फ्रैक्शन के लिए आ रहा है? 6 upon 5 के लिए. फिर 70 upon 90, 7 upon 9. And then 65 upon 90 is corresponding to 13 upon 18. So you can see the descending order of these three fractional numbers. So likewise आपको और जो 3 प्रॉब्लम्स दिए हैं, मैं उनका कुछ भी हिंट आपको नहीं बता रही हूँ, आप खुद सबको करोगे. ठीक है, सो B, C and D of 7th question is again homework for you. So with this we complete off with exercise 5.2. We will go for exercise 5.3. We will start with exercise 5.3, where you need to do the addition of the fractional number and the subtraction of fractional number. So this addition and subtraction is similar to what you did for the greater number, smaller number, and then your comparison, whatever is there, that same method we will follow. ये जो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन का जो है हमारे पास सम्स फ्रैक्शंस का, ये हम सिमिलर टू जो हम लोगों ने 5.2 में किया है, जैसे कि ग्रेटर नंबर फाइंड आउट करना, स्मॉलर नंबर फाइंड आउट करना और कंपेयर करना असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, उनको ऑर्डर में लिखना, ये सब हम लोग ने जिस मेथड से किया है वही मेथड को हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी यूज़ करेंगे. सो सबसे पहले आप देख पा रहे हो जो ऐड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ऐड द फॉलोइंग इन दिस ए. in A part you have both the denominator, both the fractional number has the denominator same. Okay, so as you know that if these are same, that means these two are the like terms. So for addition of these two numbers you have to take 5 as common and you need to add only the numerator. तो मैं आपको सम्स करके दिखाती हूँ, आप जस्ट उसको देखिए। तो ये जो लाइक टर्म्स वाला एडिशन है वो तो बहुत इजी है, और जो अनलाइक टर्म्स वाले एडिशन है वेयर यू नीड टू जस्ट फॉलो द method what we did for 5.2, that is you have to take the LCM and then you are going to do the addition as well as the subtraction. So let us start with exercise 5.3. Now students, see, I have done the first 3 questions of question number 1, add. Okay, now can you see 4 upon 5 plus 9 upon 5, आपको दो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर दिखाई दे रहे हैं। अब मैंने क्या किया है, देखिए सेकेंड स्टेप में ये दोनों देखिए कॉमन है 5, isn't it? So I have taken the LCM as 5 and then ये जो ऊपर नो न्यूमरेटर है उनको मैंने ऐड कर दिया है। ऐड करने के बाद हमारा आंसर क्या आता है, 13 upon 5. So this is your addition. Okay, this is your answer for the first addition. Similarly for second में भी आप देख पा रहे हो दोनों नीचे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, इसीलिए इसका एलसीएम 7 आता है। और फिर 1 + 6, so 1 + 6 is equal to 7 upon 7. So 7 upon 7 is nothing but 1. Okay, now come to the third one, 7 upon 9 plus 2 upon 18. So मैंने देखिए वापस से इन दोनों टर्म्स के एलसीएम ले लिए हैं 9 और 18 के। सो 9 और 18 का फैक्टर 9 है, 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, then you have 2, so you are getting the LCM as 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So similar pattern, 7 by 9 को 18, 14 upon 18, and then again 2 by 18 will be 2 upon 18. So I have this like terms again. So the LCM of this 2 is 18 and 14 plus 2 is 16 upon 18. 16 upon 18, here 2 is the common factor for this 16 upon 18. So here 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So you have the answer as 8 upon 9. ठीक है, so we'll move to the next question. Now just see the D and E question of question number 1. Here also same thing has been done for you. LCM has been taken and you need to go for like terms. So your answer for D is 27 by 26 and answer for E is 55 by 36. Okay. सो आपको यहाँ एलसीएम दिखाई दे रहा है। एलसीएम के बाद हमने इसको लाइक टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट किया है, उसके बाद ये स्टेप, ठीक है। सो आंसर इज योर 55 by 36. Now see students, the F and G of question number 1. So here you can see that 4 numbers are given to you, 4 fractional numbers. So again you have to go for LCM of these 4 denominators. So see, I have done the LCM for you and it comes as 42. Now what I did is I have not taken the each factors, I have written all the factors together. आप मैं पहले जो सम्स में कर रही थी उसमें आप देख पा रहे थे मैं एक एक फैक्टर नंबर फ्रैक्शन वाला ले रही थी और फिर मैं उसको कन्वर्ट कर रही थी। लेकिन अभी मैंने क्या किया है, आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये जो पैटर्न है इसमें ही मैंने इसका लाइक टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट करने किया है। ठीक है, सो देखिए आप 6/7 जो फर्स्ट वाला फ्रैक्शन था उसको हमें क्या करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को 42 करना है। तो देखिए मैंने इस तरह से यही जो पैटर्न है उसमें ही मैंने 42 किया है डिनोमिनेटर में। देख पा रहे हो आप, देखिए नीचे। इससे क्या होता है, हम एक ही लाइन में हर एक चीज़ हम लोग कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे। ठीक है। पहले जो था वो मैंने आपको छोटे छोटे इसमें दिखाया था ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए। तो मुझे अभी होप है कि आप ये समझ पाओगे। इसीलिए मैंने एक साथ ही ये लिख दिया है। देखिए इस तरह से आपका आंसर आता है 13/6। 91/42 कॉमन फैक्टर is your 21, so you need to go for your 6। यहाँ पे जो है आपका 7 6 42 आता है, तो 7 13 91 आता है। तो देखिए मैंने 7 को कॉमन फैक्टर ले लिया है। ठीक है। फिर ये भी आपको आप ये जो स्टेप है, ये वाला स्टेप मैंने एक साथ लिखा है। ठीक है। इसके पहले वाले जो सम्स थे उसमें मैंने एक एक करके आपको बताया था। इसमें मैंने डायरेक्टली सम के साथ लिखा है। तो आपको एलसीएम 42 मिलना है। इसीलिए देखिए ये फर्स्ट वाला 6/7 मैंने लिया है, तो 42 डिनोमिनेटर आना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने दोनों को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है ना। फिर यहाँ भी 42 आना चाहिए, इसीलिए मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है। यहाँ 42 आना चाहिए, इसीलिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है। यहाँ भी 42 आना चाहिए, ये भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई मैंने अप एंड डाउन को किया है। तो देखिए, दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू गो फॉर इट। Then the next problem is about the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, you know the rule how to do it into unlike fraction over here. See, 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3. Whole number should be multiplied and then the numerator has to be added up. तो देखिए, ओके, हियर ऑल्सो 5 × 12 + 1। ये ऑलरेडी आपको पहले वाले एक्सरसाइज में बताया जा चुका है, इसलिए आपको ये आना चाहिए। ठीक है। और यदि नहीं आ रहा है तो आप पिछले जो एक्सरसाइजेस किए हैं उसमें आप एक बार रिवाइज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। तो आप देखिए 5 × 1 इज़ 5 + 3 8/5, और ये आ गया आपका 61/5। Okay, now your 69/5 is your improper fraction. Okay, now this can be written in mixed fraction. ये क्वेश्चन आपके मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में है, इसीलिए हम इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हैं। तो देखिए क्या करना है, आपको डिवाइड करना है। ये डिविज़र है और इससे आपको डिवाइड करना है। You can get the quotient 13 as the whole number. Okay, then 4 remainder and then your divisor. तो इस तरह से ये आंसर को आप यहाँ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में भी छोड़ सकते हो और आपका यहाँ पे मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में भी आंसर आप लिख सकते हो। ठीक है। तो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन का आंसर दिया हुआ है, इसीलिए मैंने भी आपके लिए मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन के आंसर लिख दिया है। ठीक है। मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को करने के लिए, इम्प्रॉपर से मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्जन के लिए ये मेथड आपको ऑलरेडी सिखाया गया है। See students, this is the H problem. Here you have mixed number, whole number and fractional number. Okay, mixed number should be converted into improper fraction. See, I have converted it into improper fraction. 5 × 15 + 1. Then this is whole number, this is fractional number. This comes as 75 + 1/15. Now this can be written in fractional form, that is 5/1. ये 5 को हम 5/1 लिख सकते हैं, ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था। ठीक है। तो अब ये ऐसा ही लिखना है जैसे कि था। उसके बाद देखिए यहाँ पे 76/15 आ चुका है और देखिए ये तीनों फ्रैक्शनल नंबर अब आपके आ चुके हैं। अब आप क्या करोगे, सिमिलर मेथड यूज़ करोगे, एलसीएम निकालोगे सब डिनोमिनेटर्स का। तो देखिए मैंने एलसीएम निकाल लिया है और एलसीएम निकालने के बाद हमारा आंसर आया है 30। ओके, सो अगेन व्हाट आई डिड इज, मैंने ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, ये ऊपर का नहीं, ये वाला, ये मैंने कंसिडर किया है। अब क्या करेंगे, हम डिनोमिनेटर को 30 बनाएंगे, है ना, जैसे हम लोग सिमिलर वे कर रहे थे। तो यहाँ से ये, यहाँ से हमको लेना है। देखिए, ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर को 30 बनाना है तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और ऊपर भी फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो, अप डाउन, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2। देन यू हैव सेकेंड नंबर एज 5/1। तो यहाँ भी आपको 30 बनाना है, सो आपने 1 इंटू 30 कर दिया है, ठीक है। फिर थर्ड वाला क्या है आपका, 11/10। सो 11/10 है। सो देखिए 10 करने के लिए आपको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करना पड़ेगा, तो आप इंटू 3 कर देंगे और न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में। देन यू गेट द प्रोडक्ट एज 152/30, 150/30 एंड 33/30। सो फिर देखिए आपका हर एक टर्म लाइक टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया है, एंड देन यू कैन टेक द एलसीएम एज 30 एंड you need to add all the numerators. After adding all the numerators, you get 335/30, or 335/30 can be reduced to lowest term as 67/6. ये 5 कॉमन फैक्टर है, तो 5 से इसको कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो यू गेट 5 6 30 एंड 35 5 7 35, तो 67/6. Now what I did is I have converted this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction कैसे किया है आप देख लीजिए, ठीक है, ओके। So this is how we have added up this type of sums where you have the improper fraction, mixed fraction and the whole number, isn't it? So this is how you need to add all the different fractions. So thank you. We will do the rest problem in the next video. Okay, so do all these problems, practice it, and try to solve all the problems properly. Thank you.